Welcome back to Genius Information Seeker. Today we are going to upgrade the RAM from Dell Optiplex 990. Open the top cover. As you can see, this PC has only one memory installed. One thing to keep in mind is that all these memories are going to be installed in sequence, so you will need to follow the sequence mentioned on the motherboard. We're going to install two RAM sticks of 2 GB each. Make sure your RAM is aligned with RAM slot on the motherboard. Push down at the edges of the RAM until you hear clicks. Make sure the connection is secure. Repeat the same process with the other memory and test your computer. Always try to use same type of RAM and same bus speed to ensure maximum performance. Thank you for watching. Like the video if you liked it and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.